I cook these chicken wings every week. In a pan at a medium temperature, put a piece of butter and brown the chicken wings. I fry the upper part of the wings first, then I fry the lower part of the wings. Put the wings as they are, without salt and pepper. While the wings are browning, cut an onion, garlic, and a carrot into small cubes. Exactly as you see in this video. I can't wait to eat the prepared chicken wings. You can also use other root vegetables, because we are going to make a tomato sauce, which combines very well with root vegetables. Now, after the chicken wings are perfectly browned, we transfer them to a plate. They don't need to be prepared. Just give them color to get the taste and smell of the crust. In the same pan, add the chopped onion and garlic. Fry for a few minutes until soft. Then add the carrot and mix well and leave to fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add tomato sauce or any tomato paste or even diced tomatoes. I add about 200 grams of tomato sauce and leave it on medium heat for 5 minutes to fry and evaporate the excess water. After adding 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, put the wings in the same pan. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Now the chicken wings are almost ready. Sprinkle chopped garlic and parsley on top. Transfer the chicken wings to a large plate, along with potatoes, rice, or pasta. I chose mashed potatoes. After I prepared the plate, I added a little garlic and parsley for extra flavor. Look at how delicious the chicken wings and tomato sauce are. Someone would say that the portion is too big, but you can't stop eating. Look at how tender the meat is. I consider this to be a cheap but very delicious food. Write in the comments, how much do chicken wings cost in your city? For this recipe, you only need salt, pepper, onion, garlic, parsley, carrot, and some tomatoes.